For minor clogs, simply remove the extension and soak the nozzle in a deliming solution. If soaking the triple nozzle in the deliming solution does not dislodge the clog, then disassembly and soaking is needed. To unclog a clogged triple nozzle, simply remove the extension from the back by twisting it counterclockwise, setting it off to the side. Next, we will remove the nozzle tips, twisting counterclockwise, remove one at a time, and also remove the inner piston pin. Put in the solution. Remove the springs, including the rubber gasket at the bottom, and drop into the deliming solution. Next, add the triple nozzle to the deliming solution. So here we have our triple nozzle. We have soaked it in our deliming solution, and now we're going to reassemble. Take the triple nozzle, you have the 3 orifices here. Insert the springs with the rubber end first into each nozzle orifice. Set aside. Take the nozzle tip, insert the piston pin in each nozzle tip. Take the nozzle tip, turn it over, and screw it on to the triple nozzle. Repeat with the other 2. Now add the extension to the nozzle by screwing it on to the back and tightening it up.